Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to e to the power of ns. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you will go about ne to the power of ns ds. Because we don't have n in here, so we divide both sides by n. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u square. This one we change for du over n. For this one, we can write like this. Because negative with u square, you go about negative u square. Negative with negative, you go about positive 2u. Next, we need to put positive number 1. Later that, we need to minus number 1. So this one we can create about identity, and you go about u minus 1 to the power of 2. Now we need to open the parenthesis, and you will cut this one into u minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1. Because negative with this one, you go about negative. Negative with negative number 1, you go about positive number 1. And 3 plus 1 is about number 4. And now we can use about integration by substitution. Integration by trigonometric substitution. So about u minus 1 we change for 2 sine t. Because if we put this one going here, you go about 4 sine t square. Number 4 we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Now we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we put this one go in here. Du we change for 2 cosine t dt. So we got about 4 sine t square. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. And this one we change for cosine t square. The square root of 4 cosine t square we change for 2 cosine t. Number 2 and number 2 we got about 4 cosine t and cosine t, you got about cosine t square. Next we have identity. We can change cosine t square into cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. Number 4 divided by 2, you got about 2. So I will put number 2 in here. And this one you got about cosine 2t plus 1. The integration of this one, you will got about 1 over 2 sine 2t. About number 1, you got about t. About t, we need to return back to this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And we got about t equal to r sine of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. About u, that's e about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. I will put negative 2w square go to the left. Next, we can do about factorization. And I will put negative outside, so you got about negative number 2. So 13 over 2, that's about number 2 multiplied by 13 over 4. So this one we need to add about 13 over 4 square. Later that we need to minus 13 over 4 square. So this one in here, you will got about negative 49 over 16. Because I want to create about identity in here. So this one, we will got about w minus 13 over 4 to the power of 2. And now we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we have w minus 13 over 4 equals to number 7 over 4 sine or secant of t. Because if we put this one go in here, you got about 49 over 16 secant of t square. So this one we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1 we change for tan t square. And later that we simplify dw. And we got about dw equal to 7 over 4 secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one go in here. dw we change for this one. And this one we change for 49 over 16 secant of t square. So we have 49 over 16. We can do about factorization. This one we change for tan t square. Now we need to simplify the numbers in here. You will go about 2 over 7. Tan t and tan t we simplify. So you go about negative number 2 over 7. Secant of t over tan t dt. Secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t. Tan t we change for sine t over cosine t. Now this one you got about 1 over sine t. This one we change for cosecant of t. The integration of cosecant of t, you will got about negative, but we have another negative in here, so you got about positive 2 over 7 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotang t, and we put about c, that's about the constant. About t in here, we need to return back to this one, so we divide both sides by 7 over 4. And we got about t equal to r secant of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. About this one, we can do about factorization with number 3. This one, that's about number 2 multiplied by 13 over 6. So we need to put about 13 over 6 square. Later that we need to minus 13 over 6 square. And this one, you will got about 289 over 36. So this one we got about identity. So in this situation, I need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put this one equals to 7 over 6 multiplied by secant of t. So we put this one, we can do about factorization of this one, secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify dy. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about 17 over 6 secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one, go in here. Dy we change for this one. This one you will got about 289 over 36 secant of t square. So we can do about factorization of this one. This one we change for tan t square. The square root of this one, you will got about 17 over 6 tan t. We simplify 17 over 6 tan t on numerator and denominator. And this integration, we got a final answer. About t, we need to return back to this one, so we divide by 17 over 6. And we got about t equal to r secant of this one. So we put this one to replace 40. And we know that secant root or secant record about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.